Tesla Model S 2012 to 2026. To remove the driver's seat, to clean out debris under it, or to replace it, you need to remove 2 plastic covers in the front and 2 in the back. Underneath them you will find the mounting bolts. For some reason the 2 bolts closer to the doors are Torx 40, while the 2 closer to the center of the car are Torx 45. Once you remove all the bolts, you will need to disconnect all the connectors if you want to take the seat completely out. However, if you just want to clean under it, unplug only one yellow should be fine.